Statuses in Orderry are designed to build effective workflows for your business. By configuring the rules for updating statuses, you can set up a specific business process for a work order or a lead and thus eliminate the human error risk. On a hectic day, your employees can accidentally update a work order to a wrong status, for example from new to ready. It will cause frustration for both your team and clients. Your techs won't see this work order on their to-do list and the client will get an automatic ready to pick up notification. As a result, neither the work order will be completed on time, not everybody involved will be happy. Or in the case of lead processing, you may lose some prospects if statuses get updated the wrong way. To avoid such unpleasant situations, let's configure the status transfer rules. To do so, open the status editing window and go to the statuses you can transfer this status to block. Let's start with work orders. By default, they can be updated to all statuses except the closed one. Note please, we do not recommend transferring closed work orders to open statuses, as this can cause confusion in reporting and payroll calculations. Now, let's set up status transfer rules for the main open statuses. For example, from the new status you can move only to the diagnostic, on-site, or unsuccessful statuses. From the diagnostics, a work order can be updated to more statuses: in progress, approval, waiting for parts, done, and others. Then, from the status in progress it is only possible to transfer to approval, waiting for parts, done, delivery, closed, and lost, and so on. Similarly, this functionality works in lead statuses. With status transfer rules, you can build different chains for processing work orders and leads. For example, you will have separate stages and work order statuses for field work that will not overlap with those for standard work order processing. You can use the initial status feature to improve the efficiency of such chains. By default, all work orders and leads are created with the new or new lead status. But you can change this initial status in the configurations. For example, for the work order type on-site, when you create a work order with this type, it starts with the status on-site, and then goes through its chain of statuses, which you have configured in the settings. And for leads that were created as a result of a missed call, you can immediately set the status to call back. You can learn more about how to set up an initial status in another video, find the link in the description. Now you know how to configure different workflows for processing work orders and leads, and thereby eliminate the human error risk. This will also help your employees, especially the new ones, to get used to how work orders are processed in Orderry, as they will immediately see the workflow that they need to follow when working with work orders or leads. Enjoy your work and have a good day.